Zimbabwe's highest court has hit pause on a political storm that could redefine the nation's leadership, reserving judgment in two explosive legal challenges targeting President Emerson Mnangagwa's controversial bid to stretch his route to 2030. Sarabina Mash Kubranyi watches a power clash at the top. Court holds fire as Mnangagwa term extension law explodes. That was subscriber legal on the bill airport. And the Court is now at the center of a high-stakes battle after war veterans and former opposition MP Prince Zwanda separately filed urgent applications accusing President of bending the law for personal gain. At the heart of the dispute is Section 328(7) of the Constitution, a powerful clause designed to stop sitting leaders from rewriting the rules to extend their stay in office. Leading lawyer Professor Labo Maduku, representing both applicants, said the courtroom showdown focused squarely on one question: did Mnangagwa violate the Constitution by presiding over cabinet discussions that approved changes from which he stands to benefit? In courts, we argued extensively that the president acted unlawfully. Maduku said the Constitution is clear and a cabinet cannot benefit from amendments extending time in office. That protection is absolute. The legal drama, however, steered clear of broader issues like term limits or referendums, although one judge hinted that a national vote could ultimately settle the matter. Still, with the parliament expected to press ahead with the amendment process, Maduku warned that further legal action may be looming. The proposed constitutional amendment bill number 3 has ignited fierce debate nationwide. It seeks to extend presidential and parliamentary terms from 5 to 7 years and overhaul the electoral system, changes critics say could entrench power at the top. While veterans leading one of the challenges argue there is a blatant conflict of interest, they claim Mnangagwa breached constitutional principles of integrity and the separation of powers by chairing a cabinet meeting that endorsed the bill. They are now asking the court to block the president from signing the law and to nullify cabinet's approval altogether. Ndoma developments aripopangwa ino muri Zimbabwe. Nakomesa chimedu zofungura enyu muri pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Subscribe or like chita on the bell icon.